Alright, welcome to today's tutorial. So for today I'm going to be teaching you how to import multiple files on your Pixellab. For those that want to, for example, you are working on a project and you need to import multiple files at once instead of importing them one by one like this from your gallery. Instead of importing them one by one like this and just clicking on them like this for them to appear, there is how you can do it, that you can import multiple files at once, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. So before we go further, make sure you subscribe, like and share. If you are just viewing this channel for the first time, this channel is all about graphic designing and many other things. All right, so make sure you subscribe, you like and share. Now let's go into the tutorial. So first of all, you are going to go to the third icon below your Pixellab. Then you see the options there above it. You see stickers, import, draw and others. The one we are going to be using is the import. We are not going to click on it once. You're just going to click on it multiple times, or the number of files you want to import. For example, let's say I want to import 3 files. I'll just click on it thrice like this, 1 2 3. Then I'll wait a little bit, then it opens. Then I'll click on the files I want to open, 1 2 and 3. Then this is how it's going to come out. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. You can see like that it is 3 files that we have uploaded like that, instead of the normal way of importing one file. So you can just do it like this to import multiple files. You can also import more than 3 files. Let's go 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Wait a little bit, then we're going to scroll up to import whatever we want to import. Let's import this and this. Okay, the main one, that is the fourth one, right? Let's also import this. So now this is how it's going to be open. 1 2 3 4 5. So that's how you can import multiple files on your Pixellab without at once. So this is a book I wrote on prompting on AI with AI. If you want to get the book, check the comment section to find the link to get the book, or check the description box.